people who call you the N-word?
Nigger?
Yeah.
I love it. Nigger is the best word. It doesn't change me. I'm a nigger. I'm Muslim. I'm a nigger. I am a black.
On Tuesday, Mama.
أنت كده في عنده Tuesday كده في أكيد صدق كده صدق أنت يسنا سرعة زي بالله تاتو يتبلي روتا أيد ليكني أنت قبل الكتاتو
Ma, it's just for like just to have for memories.
Why memories for what?
رسخني
من أنت يعمل لخي بكله رسخن أنت حسكي اللخي.
But what if I forget?
رسمني memory أبغى رسخن أولي بخني زت حزاب تاتو يكونن.
Oh, you have tattoo of someone you love.
No, someone you love. كمان أنا لعلت فتوى لك دي بكل معين خلنا تشاو.
If you love, نيش تيخه.
أنت أخذت قبري أنت تاتو أخذت قبري أيد ليكنيو بهلنا أيقونن هايمانوتنا أيقونن. ما تحب قدوس تاتو ود تاتو أي تكبر إلنا بقى تزاز أملاك دي تسمعي ولا خلق تاخذ صغلك هلا ولو تبلي
Mama, it's نيشتين
ولا نيشتين تكون أي no قوم زبها النجارين تاتو ندحر جيركي مركان كر حاو جيره أو أطشة شابي لخنددكي
Mama,
كنددكي no لا يبحكي نجرك
Tuesday book جري
no Tuesday أي تجبرين نجيرك كله كاب حجي تاتو أنت جيركي مسايك تواجه تكون كحرة وقت تقدر مسايك صار كانوا رايت وجدتنا وجهنا سب كلا حسب له تاتو العلي خاب تاتو رأسخي كلا حسابي نمت آخر حسابي كم يجرى جز كم يجرى يجبر ستمريات كم يجرى تبص راح إذا حساب رأسخي تاتو ود تاتو ما يزر رابش زخنة تحساس بقى أي تصمنا قرفنا الجهل
Yo no te entiendo. ¿Cómo? Pero ¿cómo para arriba, para abajo? Yo no te... ¿Soy lo que? Yo no te entiendo. ¿Cómo? Si yo no te entiendo. Así no. Yo no te entiendo. A ver, dile a tu mamá. ¿Cómo?
¿Cómo, hija? ¿Cómo? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué le quieres decir?
You didn't even finish it. That was a teardrop. Bruh, Mom.
No, put that down. Okay, give me that. How about?
Daddy, why?
I did that. What's wrong? What happened? Lisa, what's the problem? Okay, sorry. It's not real. Hey, it's not real. Look. It's not real. Look. It's Nutella. It's Nutella. Look. Hey, look. I'm gonna eat it. Look. It's good. Tamo. Okay. Tamo.
وما قدر فكوا ليه؟
عاري الكسرة مسايقة وتقلبي
So for those of you who don't think my skills were legit, check this out. Hold this for me. And that's how it's done.
هي حبش حوي كم يتغني سلس نجارات نركمي أبدك تبعتيو أتراكتيف ديكونه وتقارص وغات أسفا جبر قدامي شجرات ستودي حوينا دي قدامت نفسها تقول على خا جنزب كات خسر على خا أنا خات خسر على خا سلس أقارص ما نكون كمان ياسلسي كالا جزيا غاني أنا يسكي إتي سوري تحت بيلور غيد سريعة تحت بيكات غيد أتصغن تاي تسقى مالك نقول في وي دخلنا تلكاديو بليز سريعة هوبا بلا بجها سالساي إتدس عارفو دي احنا ترى كنا نسألك على ملأ تسألك سلز أيتتصرف قالصو ديك نستيا كم يعني عاديتك كأنت رديكا مخبار قال اللمد صراحة أنا تعرف لها برمسيلك نديها خد تعرف لها ciao peace.
Okay, Mama, I got this new challenge for you. Are you ready?
Ready?
I need you to do this. Do this. Now put it on your chin. Okay, good. Now do it again, but put it on your chin. Yeah, but put it on your chin. Do this, but put it on your chin.
I put it on my chin.
Okay, put it on your chin. No, do this, what I'm doing, and put it on your chin. Oh my God. I said do this. Listen to my words. Do this and put it on your chin.
This is the last time I'm gonna do this and put it on my chin.
Mama, do this. Oh my God. Okay. Stop. Mama, I said do this and put it on your chin. Mama, is this your chin? I said your chin. This is your chin.
Oh, oops.
Dear Diary, I can't believe my eyes. I cannot believe my eyes. Today, my daughter, she brought home A minus. A minus! Why is that? Whenever I hear her, I just want to... Anyway, sorry about that. So, I can't believe it because, you know, my friends, their daughters, they buy their parent house, car, brings them goat, manamin. But my daughter, she don't do that one. She get A minus. I can't believe. And she come home 6 p.m. 6 p.m. She's gangster. Way.
That was an accident. I didn't mean to.
Are you serious?
I didn't mean to. I was supposed to put on a napkin, bro. Look, it's all supposed to put on a napkin.
Why is that going to be
Bro, cause I napkin. The napkin was done.
Oh my God.
Look, I was trying to put on a napkin.
Stop.
I was trying to put on a napkin.
Stop.
I was just trying to clean my hand on a napkin.
I don't care. Stop. Don't stop doing it. Ugly.
That was an accident. Bro, look, I was just trying to put on a napkin.
Afinka. Ass. Isn't eat. Angry. Kibdi.
I love you so much, baby. Shut your big mouth.
People are like, do you miss home? But I'm eating kolak. If you're kolak people, do you miss home? Do you miss injera? Are you homesick? Let me tell you what the fuck I miss. I miss the sound of my name when it's properly said by Habasha. It's gotten to a point where I'm having an identity crisis where I don't even know how to pronounce my own name. I don't know if it's Reddit, Rediet, Radiate, Reddit. At this point, call me fucking Chaltu. And then today, my econ professor, he's doing roll call. It's my last name. My last name is Will December. You know, he says Will the Beast. How you gonna change Will December to Will the Beast? And then my friend's laughing. One of my friends, she changed my contact name to Will the Beast. Everyone's calling me the Beast. I'm done. Call me fucking child too. Because bitch, this is not it. I'm out here singing Destiny's Child. Say my name properly, please.